All right guys, what's up? I'm headed over to the dealership today to show you guys the new Beta we got in. It looks sick. I think you guys are gonna love it. So let's go check it out. Guess spotted the new sign over here. All right guys, here it is, the 2022 Beta 200RR. Man, it's crazy. Every time Sherco comes out with a bike or KTM changes their color scheme, I'm always like, man, that's the best looking bike right now. But this new black and red color scheme for this year might take the cake for me, guys. Absolutely love this look. I love how bright they make this red and how much color they put into the bike. Really digging it. So, changes for 2022. There were some pretty significant changes to the 250 and 300. With the top ends, not the case with the 200 as I understand. So you get the different look, you get the red on the seat, the red headlight mask, and suspension updates. Now it's got the same Sachs ZF fork. I've been told that this fork for this year is a different coating on the outer tubes, which is supposed to make it a lot more corrosion resistant. They also updated the valvings with the goal of making the forks a little more plush. For the shock, they did the same thing with a valving update to make that plush as well. And that's really the only updates you're going to get for 2022 on the 200. Now, you guys probably know there's a cult following around the old KTM 200s. They don't offer that anymore. So this bike has kind of taken the place for that group of riders. A lot of guys think the 200 two-stroke is the sweet spot for single track. Just the right amount of power to make the bike super manageable. A lot of vet guys love these 200s. Lighter guys love these. I mean, anybody can ride this bike and perform great on it, but it suits maybe a larger range of riders. So these are extremely popular. As of the date of publishing this video, this thing is still available. So if you're interested in one of these, you're gonna want to get with sales@aomc.mx. That's email sales@aomc.mx. They will get you hooked up with whatever Beta, Sherco, or KTM group bike you are looking for. So while you're here, let's go ahead and start this thing up and listen to it. All right guys, that's your 2022 Beta 200RR two-stroke. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.